Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your place to learn English the smart and easy way.
10 common English mistakes. Today we're fixing 10 common English mistakes that many learners make without even realizing it. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Very plus noun. I have very money, so I think I'll buy a new phone.
Oh, careful. We don't say very money.
Oh, really? What should I say?
Say a lot of money.
Ah, I see. I have a lot of money right now.
Exactly. That sounds natural.
Mistake 2. Very plus verb. I very like this movie.
We don't put very before verbs.
Then how can I say it?
You can say, I really like it, or I like it very much.
Got it. I really like this movie.
Perfect.
Mistake 3. I'm agree. Two friends are planning a class presentation.
I think we should make a short video instead of just using slides. It'll be more interesting.
I'm agree with your idea. A video would be more creative.
Almost perfect, but don't say I'm agree.
Oh, what should I say instead?
Just say, I agree with your idea. No am.
Really? Why not?
Because agree is already a verb. You don't need the verb to be before it.
Ah, so it's different from I'm excited or I'm nervous, right?
Exactly. Excited and nervous are adjectives, but agree is a verb.
Okay, let me try again. I agree with your idea. Let's make a video.
Perfect. That sounds completely natural.
Mistake 4. Didn't went. Two classmates are talking before class starts.
Hey, sorry, I didn't went to class yesterday. I wasn't feeling well.
Ah, I hope you're okay. But small correction. Don't say didn't went.
Oh no, I made a mistake again? What's wrong with it?
After didn't, we always use the base form of the verb.
Base form. So just go?
Exactly, because did already shows the past tense. The main verb stays in the base form.
Oh, so it's not went because did already makes it past?
That's right. So you should say, I didn't go to class yesterday.
Let me try again. I didn't go to class yesterday because I was sick.
Perfect. That sounds completely natural.
Thanks. I always forget that rule.
Don't worry. Just remember, after didn't, always use the base verb.
Got it. I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Excellent. You've got it now.
Mistake 5. Boring versus bored. Two friends are sitting at home on a rainy afternoon. Ugh, I'm boring today.
Do you mean you feel bored or you make other people bored?
What? There's a difference?
Yes. Boring describes something that causes boredom. Bored describes how you feel.
Oh, I didn't know that. I mean, I feel bored.
Then you should say, I'm bored.
Okay. I'm bored because there's nothing to do and it's raining all day.
Perfect. That's exactly how to use it.
So, if a movie is not interesting, I say, the movie is boring, right?
Exactly. And if you don't enjoy it, you say, I'm bored.
Got it. The movie is boring, so I'm bored.
Excellent. Now that's completely natural.
Mistake 6. More taller. Two friends are looking at a family photo. Look at this picture. My brother is more taller than me now.
Almost. But we don't say more taller.
Oh no, what did I do wrong?
When an adjective already ends in er, like taller, we don't use more.
So I can't say more taller?
Right. It's either taller or more plus adjective, but not both.
Oh, I see. So I should say, my brother is taller than me.
Exactly. That sounds natural.
What about more handsome? Is that okay?
Yes, that's correct. We say more handsome because we don't say handsomer in everyday English.
Ah, so short adjectives use er and longer ones use more?
That's the general rule. And remember, never both together.
Got it. My brother is taller than me.
Perfect.
Mistake 7. Age. Two coworkers are introducing themselves at a training session. Hi, nice to meet you. I have 25 years.
Oh, do you mean you're 25 years old?
Ah, okay. I am 25 years old.
Perfect. That sounds natural.
That's interesting. In my language, we use have for age.
Yes, many languages do. But in English, it's always I am plus age.
Got it. I am 25 years old. How old you are?
I am 24. But you should say, how old are you instead?
Oh, sorry. I'm just, beginner.
That's fine. I'll help you when you need.
Thanks. You kind.
You are kind is the correct one.
Okay. I am 25 years old. How old are you? And you are kind.
That's correct.
Mistake 8. Wait. Two friends are texting each other before meeting. Hey, I'm waiting you outside the cafe. We say wait for someone, so it should be I'm waiting for you. Ah, okay. I'm waiting for you outside the cafe. Great, come in. I'm waiting for you inside. Got it. I'm coming in. Where are you? On the second floor? Yeah, I'm sitting by the window. Order before you come up. The counter is on the first floor. Okay, coming. Mistake 9. Discuss about. Two friends are talking about their school lately. We discussed about the problem in the meeting. Small correction. Discuss doesn't need about. Really? Yes, just say discussed the problem. We discussed the problem in the meeting. Perfect. Mistake 10. Adjective without be. She very beautiful in that dress.
You're missing the verb to be.
Oh, right.
Say, she is very beautiful.
She is very beautiful.
Exactly.
Great job! Today, we're fixing 10 common English mistakes that many learners make without even realizing it.
These mistakes are extremely common, but once you learn the correct patterns, your English becomes clearer, more natural, and more confident. If you want more lessons like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.